Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to learn about HTML comments. So what are comments? So comments in any programming language are used to just provide the extra information or just to provide any notification or reminder what parts needs to be done or what is pending on that particular part. So comments in HTML are not displayed by the browser, but they can help document your HTML source code. With comments, you can place notifications and reminders in HTML code. So you can add comments to your HTML source by using the following syntax. So this is the syntax of HTML comments. So here you need to provide your message, and this is the syntax like exclamation marks and two hyphen, and in the closing tag you need to provide only the hyphen, not the exclamation mark. So this point to remember here that there is an exclamation point only in the start tag but not in the end tag. So let's understand HTML comments through our code. So this is our code. Like if we have written many paragraphs in this file, so let's say I want to add comment here. So this is the syntax, right? So if I don't provide any end tag, so all the document is getting comment, so all these document will be not in the readable format to the browser, so browser will not understand what content we have provided here will not be accessible to browser. So let's say I want to close this tag. So see, now here we can provide our comment message. So let's say this one was our subscripted tag. So let's say I want to save this and run on browser. So see, there is no difference on the browser. The content of, let's say I want to make some adjustment here. So see, the paragraph content is printing as usual. Here we have the comment, so it is useful or for the user only to understand what the tag is specifying here. It is a subscripted tag. So let's say I want to add another comment. So below was of superscripted tag. Close this tag. If I save this and run, so no difference on the browser. Let's say if I forget to provide this closing tag here, save this, refresh, so only till this part the browser is able to understand what is provided. All the below content is not accessible to browser. So let's say if you forgot to provided any end tag, so all the content below that will be of no use to the browser. So that's the use of comments. You can document or you can provide any reminder. Let's say if I want to add more content on this, so you can provide the comments like more information needs to be provided, like more info should be added. So in this way you can provide comments to your HTML file. So that's it for this video. We will cover another topics in next video. Thanks.